Hello folks, welcome back. This video is going to be a quick analysis on NASDAQ or US 100. My view and my speculation bias for this week is what I'm going to talk about. Please give a like to this video. Let's continue. So coming into this week, my bias on NAS is bearish. And the reason why I'm bearish is because in regard to this range from this high to this low, price has traded into what? Premium, right? And in premium, price has traded into a fair value gap. So there's a monthly fair value gap. And price has taken buy side liquidity of this short-term high. Okay. So that's buy side liquidity being grabbed on the monthly chart into this monthly fair value gap and has rejected a little bit. Okay. And also, since we are almost ending the month this week, possibility that we may create a wick on top of this monthly candle, a large wick on top of it to close it as high. So from this monthly chart, I'm anticipating a sell-off. Okay. Now let's go to the weekly chart to support our sell idea. So going down to the weekly chart, as you can see, price taking buy side liquidity into that monthly fair value gap. And then on the weekly chart, we can clearly see that there is a weekly fair value gap right there. This candle's low to this candle's high. That's a fair value gap. So that's a draw on liquidity, right? And as you can see, last week's candle, as we hit the monthly levels, rejected with this bearish candle for potential sells. So I think that coming into this week, we can sell off and fill this fair value gap, okay, before any continuation to the upside. So my short-term bias is to see this weekly fair value gap get filled. Now let's go down to the daily chart to see some more information, right? So going down to the daily chart, as you can see, the daily has been trending bearish ever since we hit the monthly levels. And clearly the daily also has a daily fair value gap inside a weekly fair value gap, right? And this level, this low that you see here, which is the weekly fair value gap low, is also a sell side liquidity, right? So my target for this week is to see this sell side liquidity being grabbed into the weekly fair value gap, also into this daily fair value gap. That will be my bias coming into this week. Okay. Now, if I'm bearish for the week, I'm anticipating a classic Tuesday high of the week to form. So going down to the 4-hour chart, we can anticipate some areas where possibly the high of the week may form. So there is possibility that price may sweep some of these highs that you see here to form the high of the week. Could also be in this high. So either Monday or Tuesday, it's likely to see price sweep some of these highs, break structure to the downside, and sell off to these levels. Okay. And price can as well just simply dump from where it is. Price can as well just easily dump into this fair value gap. So during the AM session 9:30 equity open, probably on Tuesday, I'll start looking for sells down here, right? Can see a huge opening balance with sell side liquidity resting. So you can see that we've created equal lows, this low, and then this low, a very high liquidity pool to be grabbed. Okay, you can see this shifting market structure down here in the 4-hour chart as well. Okay, supporting the bearish idea. That's a shifting market structure. Very beautiful one. So this is my bias coming into this week. Let's see how it plays out. Like, comment, share this video to your friends. You can join my YouTube, my Telegram channel where I post setups